Okay. First, now this is question 5a, which we want to express the function of this in terms of step function to show that a Laplace y t is equal to this. Okay. Now we are given this, so that we must convert it to step function so that we can prove that Laplace vt equals to this. This is in unit step function. After that, we will Laplace it. Then we will need to expand this so that we can Laplace it. Okay. Then we must simplify this to this, so that we can get the same, because both the ut minus u bracket t minus 2 is the same, so that we can simplify it. Then we will Laplace this using the formula book, this t. Then the answer will be 1 over s squared. Okay. Then we, using the formula book, unit impulse function, we get this. Then we get this. Then we left with Laplace t. Using back the same formula that we used previously, this formula, then we can get s over 1 over s squared. By over this, we can simplify it further by taking out the common factor 1 over s squared. This is the final answer. Okay, for question 5b, part 1. He called us to find the current IT by using Laplace transform. First, we must Laplace this. Laplace di over dt plus 10I equals to Laplace v bracket t. Then we Laplace it by using this formula, first derivative. Using first derivative, s Laplace y minus y bracket o. We get this equals to this. This is from the previous answer that we get. Okay. Then now we simplify it, because I bracket o equals to 0, which given in the question. We convert it to 0.
Okay.
Then after that, s I bracket s minus 0 plus 10 I bracket s is equals to this. Then we take out the common factor out, which is is. We left with bracket s plus t equals to this. Then the next step will expand this to this. Then we will bring the bracket s plus t, s plus 10 over to the next right hand side. That means with I bracket s is equal to I over s squared bracket s plus 10 bracket minus I over s squared plus s plus 10 bracket e minus 2s. Now we need to inverse Laplace I. We inverse Laplace. We use partial fraction.
Okay.
Stop. Okay. We using this by partial fraction, we get this. That how we can, by over here we can get C, the answer of C by using cover up method. C equals 1 over S square, which is S is equal to minus 10. Then the answer will be 1 over 100.
Okay.
Then we equating the coefficient of S square using this AS square and CS square.
Okay.
Because over here it does not show S square, which is 0. Then we get the equation of 0 plus A plus C. Then we substitute C, which 1 over 100, which we get earlier, into this. Then we bring over, therefore A is equal to minus 100.
Okay.
Then we equating the constant, which is 1 and 10b.
Okay.
Over here, 1 equals to 10b. Then b, I bring the 10 over, is 1 over 10. Therefore, b is equal to 1 over 10.
Okay.
Now we get a, b, and c. We can substitute the whole thing inside. Therefore, I equals to inverse Laplace this minus this. We substitute all the a, b, c that we get earlier into it. This is the final answer for part B, 5B part 1.
Long ah.
For part B, part 2, call us to find IT for this time.
Okay.
When IT equals to U bracket minus T minus 2 is 0, because we know that it's in off mode.
Okay.
Therefore, we copy down this equation from the previous question and previous answer that we get, which is this.
Yeah.
Okay. We substitute U bracket T minus 2 to 0 because it's at off mode.
Okay.
Okay. Then for this, what times 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, this one minus 0 equals to this.